Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Dig classes. Class 11 chapter 1st, date 5 of August 2020. Today we'll see two more important concepts, empirical formula and molecular formula. And to calculate empirical formula and molecular formula with the help of percentage composition. So first of all we will see what is empirical formula. Empirical formula is also called simple formula. An empirical formula or simple formula represents the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in a compound. This is the definition of empirical or simple formula. Now, molecular formula shows the exact number of different types of atom present in a molecule of a compound. If the mass percent of various element present in a compound is known, then its empirical formula can be determined or calculated. Molecular formula can further be obtained if molar mass is known. Now, one numerical problem is a compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon, and 71.65% chlorine, and its molar mass is given to you is 98.96 gram. So we have to determine what its empirical formula and molecular formula. So to determine empirical formula, you have to follow these steps. First step, conversion of mass percent to grams. Since we are having mass percent, it is convenient to use 100 gram because percentage is calculated on 100 of the compound as the starting material. Thus, in the 100 gram of sample of the above compound, 4.07 gram hydrogen is present, 24.27 gram carbon is present, and 71.65 gram chlorine is present. So this is given to you. Now step 2, convert into number of moles of each element. For this we will divide masses obtained above by the respective atomic mass of the various element. So moles of hydrogen is equal to percent composition of hydrogen 4.07 gram given to you divided by 1.008 gram. This is the molar mass of hydrogen atom. So you will get 4 divided by 1, 4.04 approx. Now moles of carbon 24.27 gram divided by 12.01 gram. So if you divide 24 by 12 you will get 2.021, and 12 is the atomic mass of carbon in gram. 24.27 is given to you. The moles of chlorine 71.65 gram chlorine is present in the given compound, divided by 34.453, you will get around about 2.021. So if you add, so this is your step 2. Now move on to step 3. Divide the mole value obtained above by the smallest number. Since the smallest value is 2.021 is the smallest value, division by it gives a ratio of 2:1:1 for hydrogen, carbon and chlorine atom. 4 divided by 2 you will get 1, 2 divided by 2 you will get 1, 2 divided by 2 you will get 1. So in case the ratio are not whole numbers, then we multiply suitable coefficient so that we can get whole number. Step 4. Write the empirical formula by mentioning the number of after writing the symbol of the respective elements. So carbon is 1, so hydrogen, carbon and chlorine are in the ratio of 2:1:1 respectively, so the empirical formula or simple formula becomes CH2Cl. Now step 5, write molecular formula. To determine molecular formula, first of all we will determine the empirical formula mass. So we have empirical formula CH2Cl. So for carbon atom, the atomic mass is 12 plus 2, because hydrogen atom are 2 in number, so 2 into 1.008 plus 35.453 mass of chlorine atom. So if you add these three, will get 49.48. Now in step 5th B, divide molar mass by empirical formula mass. So we'll get N, the number of coefficient number. N is equal to molar mass divided by empirical mass. So molar mass is given to you in the question 98.96. So 98.96 divided by 49.48, you will get 2. Now we will multiply empirical formula by N obtained about to get the molecular formula. Empirical formula is CH2Cl and N is 2, so hence molecular formula will be CH2Cl twice multiplied by CH2Cl, so you will get C2H4Cl2. Thank you for this video. This much for today's video. Thank you.